All right, y'all, here we go. We at Home Depot, Hammond, Louisiana today, balling crawfish.
Now watch this. We're going to show you how to cook on a Loco.
Balling crawfish right
all
here
this
today.
stuff. Got celery, onions, garlic. You know I love my garlic. Got a little bit of everything. Watch this.
Look at that, boy.
We got some taters for you to go in there.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, get us some more, Daddy. Oh, boy, lemons and limes. You know, a lot of people squeeze them. A lot of people don't.
Dump them in there.
Oh, this going to be good, yeah. Yeah. This is the important part here.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Peekaboo, I see you.
Let's start there. Let's start there.
Yeah, start. Time to add the seasoning now.
Oh, yeah.
See, get a little ball.
Look at that. Look at that, boy.
Woo-wee. Good stuff.
Southern boy. Loco. Look at them crawfish right there, y'all. That there's some pretty crawfish right there, y'all. Man, look at that. That's a real deal. That's a real deal right there. Oh, look at nice ones. Oh.
We'll get in
Right there, boy.
Give it a stir around. Got the time.
All right, y'all, what we're going to do, we're going to let them boil for 10 minutes. What it's going to do, it's going to come back to a boil in about 2 minutes. That's going to boil them for 8 minutes. Then we're going to shut them down. And then we'll start the second process of letting them soak. Awesome stuff right here, y'all. It don't get no better than that.
Look what we got going there. They've been soaking a little while. We're going to put our corn in there, mushrooms. And y'all know what these are. That's brandy beans. We're going to dump them in there. Woo! Stir them up a little while. Won't be long. We'll be eating this. Look at them crawfish down. Oh, does it good or what? Yes, indeed. Oh, yeah. Gonna be good, y'all. Let me close them up so they don't get away.
Look at Randy B. Come up with it like that. Look at that right there. Ooh, y'all, that's the Miller Mark crawfish right there.
All right, y'all. We got to try some of the crawfish. Oh, wait for me.
Huh?
Wait for me.
All right, y'all, we're going to try. Ooh, look at that. Popping out of the shell. What's that, bro?
That comes right now. They're perfect.
Why'd you grab the big one?
Huh?
Why'd you get the big one?
It was on my side.
It was on my side. He ain't right. He's always grabbing all the big crawfish. Look at that, y'all. Popping right out of the shell. Southern Boys Outdoors. Loco, Loco, Loco. You got old Bruce Mitchell, the alligator man. It don't get no better than that right there, y'all. Oh, y'all. Oh, look at that right there, y'all. I'll get the Loco paddle put right back here behind him. Y'all, look at that right there, y'all. I'm telling you right now. Look at them big old crawfish. That's Miller Mark crawfish right there, y'all. It just don't get no better than that right there. I can promise you. Watch this.
Whoa, we got to fry
Look at
now.
it. Look at it. Look at it. Look how pretty that is right there. Good stuff right there. All right, y'all, that's a wrap from the Home Depot in Hammond, Louisiana. Loco, 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 Home Depot. Y'all look them up online at homedepot.com. Also, lococookers.com. Don't get no better than that, y'all. Check out the awesome ballers. It's crawfish season here in South Louisiana and all across the country. So, time to get out, ball them crawfish, and hey, enjoy this beautiful weather. Man, we've been blessed today with beautiful weather.